Hello, those of you who live in Mississippi or thinking to move to Mississippi, maybe you're looking to buy a house or refinance one, want to talk to you about the basic FHA guidelines that will help you to purchase or refinance your home. The first thing you need to know is that you must fully document your income, provide your W-2s and tax returns if you are a W-2 wage earner, provide your tax returns only if you're self-employed. If you're retired, you can just provide documentation of your retirement income and your tax returns. You can still qualify for a mortgage there. You will need credit scores of at least 500. 580 or better gets you a down payment of 3.5%. Credit scores below 580, your down payment is 10%. You can also qualify with a recent bankruptcy. Even though other lenders may have denied you, it still is possible to qualify, especially with a Chapter 13. You can qualify before you're even done making your payments. What you also need to know is that there are maximum loan amounts they're called loan limits for each county in your state of Mississippi. Now, every county has the same maximum loan amount. In other states, the loan amounts vary by county, but in Mississippi, it's the same. However, if you buy a duplex, the loan limit will be higher than that of a single family, and a 3-family and a 4-family will also be higher as you step up. So if you were looking to purchase a multifamily home, you could potentially qualify for a higher loan amount than a single family, but you still need the income to be able to qualify for that loan amount that you're looking for. Another great program that's available through FHA, not just a purchase or refinance, but you can get the 203K rehab loan, which will allow you to rehab a property that you're buying or refinancing. Or it doesn't have to be a full rehab, it could just be some updating. You can get the FHA one-time close construction loan, and with that program you're buying the lot and also financing the cost of the build, including all permits and everything, all with one mortgage and just 3.5% down. And you can get a streamlined refinance if you already own the home and you just want to get a better rate and you own the home with an FHA loan. So you're going to get a new FHA loan, and that's without an appraisal, without having to provide income documentation, so it's less painful from an application standpoint, and it's faster. And you can also get a cash out refinance. If you've got a lot of equity in the house, you can cash out up to 80% of the home's current appraised value, and you can do whatever you want with that money. It does not have to be used to rehab your property. Now, if you're looking to get pre-approved or you want to talk to someone about this, we can definitely help you at FHAlenders.com. I'm going to link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description. But before I let you go, I want to also let you know that there are down payment assistance programs available in Mississippi. We do list 2 of them on our website, which you can see. But also, we have lenders that offer down payment assistance as part of their entire loan package. Makes it easier. You just stop with just one lender and they take care of everything. And almost like when you go to buy a car and you get the financing through the dealer, it's easier than going to the bank and then bringing it. It's a similar situation. Makes it easier. So we'll help you there. Again, FHAlenders.com. Just follow the link down below. Appreciate you watching today, everyone, and we'll see you next time.